Hello, valued NSU employers and grad programs. We are so excited to have you signed up for our virtual career fair coming up at NSU. I wanted to provide guidance and a tutorial on how to navigate the platform on Handshake for your virtual career fairs. So we've provided a video today that's going to guide you on what to expect on the day of the fair and how to launch your sessions, whether you're doing one-on-one or group sessions with employers or with students. The first step is signing into your Handshake account. This is going to lead you to your homepage, which has your jobs, upcoming events. You're going to click on fairs at the bottom left corner, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll down and select show registered only. And then you're going to click the appropriate fair that you're signed up for, which is going to take you to the landing page for that event. You're going to click on schedules, which has all of your schedules there. And whether you're leading a group or a one-on-one, you could see that your sessions will be right there. You're going to hit launch video. For the one-on-one sessions, you can click on the profile of students that have signed up for those sessions thus far. And when you launch video, it's going to take you to the platform that you're hosting it. It's going to look very similar to Zoom in terms of the setup. It'll give you all the details, and then you could be able to change any of the audio, video settings, making sure you're testing the technology beforehand. Just like Zoom, you could change to show your screen or be able to show your face and look at the entire participant list for the event. Students could be able to send messages through chat while you're leading your group sessions. For one-on-ones, they'll be having their videos up so you could be able to see them as well. And again, this is a chance for you to be able to showcase your brand. Handshake and our career staff here is available for you to help troubleshoot any technology issues you have during the event. But the group session and the format look very similar to Zoom. It's a chance where you can share your screens, show your company, talk about the culture, talk about the brand. If you have a PowerPoint, you can click on the bottom of the screen there. It'll give you the option of sharing your screen, and then you could be able to showcase to applicants, the brand itself. You want to show the web page, you want to show your PowerPoint. All of it's going to be available for you to be able to facilitate these sessions, engage with students, give them your information. And at the end, you can end that session. And once you click out, you can go back into your Handshake account, click on the events again, click on the fair, and open the next session. Or if you just close it out, it'll leave you right at that window. And since you completed the group session, you'd go to the next one, whether that's another group session or launching a one-on-one video with students. Again, this is here for you to be able to support you. This video tutorial is just to give you an idea of what to look like or what it's going to look like on the day of the fair. But again, myself, Emilio Lorenzo, and Naima Butler, we're both here for you on the day of the fair to support you, troubleshoot. But we're so excited to have you engage with our NSU students, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to help you prepare for the day of.